Hi everyone and welcome to the new updated overview video for the Ultimate Copilot in Unreal Engine 5. So much stuff has been added in the past 3 months since my last overview video, so I have to update this overview video so it reflects the new state of the plugin. So I'll quickly walk you through the new interface within the engine. You can see 3 tabs, 3 views, the asset analyst. It can analyze blueprints, materials, widgets, animation blueprints. You can add files to the conversation. Everything is fully conversational. You can tap on the how to use button to get more info on how to use this window. Don't worry, we'll get more to the point later in the video. You also have some options for the conversation. You can rename, you can delete them, you can export the conversations. The project scanner window allows you to scan and index your entire project, and after that you can even get a performance report. You can ask high-level questions about your project, and as well you can rename, you can export conversations, and so on and so forth. For the window, the plugin window, you can move it around however you like it. You can place it on half of your screen, you can place it on your second monitor, for example. It's totally up to you. A neat thing I added is this custom instructions. You can add your custom instructions here, and for every request you make to the AI, these custom instructions will also be sent, and also the API settings tab. Here you can configure the API key. You can use the plugin for free with a Gemini API key, but you can also configure the custom API provider. You can also test the plugin with Local LLMs. You can use the plugin completely for free with a Gemini API key at the moment of recording this video, and you can also connect the plugin to Local LLMs. This plugin is the most flexible copilot on the market right now. There is no other competitor for this in terms of flexibility. You can find more details on the website. Now let's dive into the main window, which is the Blueprint Architect window. This is where creation and agentic execution happen. This tool can perform complex, multi-step tasks autonomously, much like you might have seen with desktop applications, but fully integrated within Unreal Engine. Let's put this into practice. We'll create a simple enemy AI from scratch. We'll create the character and also a function which checks to see if the distance between the actor and the player character is greater than 2000. If it's true, hide the mesh. If it's false, set the mesh to visible. And just like that, the complete function is generated with clean, organized nodes, and it's also compiling just fine. But here is a truly unique feature. You don't even need to write these detailed prompts yourself. You can give the AI a high-level goal, and it will generate a detailed multi-step prompt for you, which you can then approve or modify before execution. It streamlines the creative process entirely. You can also select a node and ask the AI to insert new logic at that specific point, seamlessly integrating new functionality into existing graphs. We can also generate custom events or even feed it an extremely large, complex prompt for building entire systems in one go. Before I show you the complex prompt, let me show you how the AI can even organize your variables in your blueprint. This is a nice feature, especially if you didn't bother with categorizing variables before and everything is a mess inside the blueprint. So as you can see, just one prompt is enough to organize variables into their own category. Now for the complex prompt, just so you can get a taste of where I'm headed with the plugin and with the blueprint generation. This was some prompt I received from a user in regards to a complex inventory function. We created the actor from a prompt and also the function. There might be some disconnected nodes because of both prompting issues and engine limitations, but I'm constantly working on improving the generator, so it should be much more accurate in no time. I mean, look at the amount of nodes generated. At the moment of posting the video, there are no other copilots in Unreal to generate this many nodes without crashing the engine. You can even use it to create multiple actor variants at once. You don't have to right-click tens of times just to create a bunch of blueprints. You can just prompt the AI and it will generate 10, 20, 30 blueprints for you. Like I said at the beginning of the video, we can use both the architect view and the analyst view to get blueprints explained to us in detail. The interface is conversational. You can ask follow-up questions about the asset, such as how can I optimize this function, or what's the error with this function, what's wrong with this custom event, and the AI will analyze and give you the explanation. And also each conversation is saved and you have the options to manage, rename or delete them as needed. Next we have the project scanner. This is the centralized brain of your entire project. The first and most important step is to click on scan and index project. The tool will then index every blueprint. And once the scan is complete, you can ask high-level questions that would normally take hours to answer. This is good, especially if you have assets from the marketplace like combat systems. Like, for instance, you can request a full performance report to identify potential bottlenecks, or ask which blueprints are using the agentic, or where is the damage system implemented, or any high-level question about the project. You can ask it here and get your answer. Widget creation from prompts is also possible. This feature is still experimental. I have a comprehensive prompt here from a friend for some UI creation. Let's just run the prompt. It will create the widgets with the hierarchy and some placeholders. You can iterate with the AI on them after. Like I said, it's still an experimental feature, and future updates will improve this widget creation. Simple material creation is also possible. Here I asked the AI to just create 5 different materials. The materials are instantly generated. I plan on integrating image generation tools in a future update, allowing us to create textures with AI and build even more complex materials right here in the editor. Tools like Nano Banana Pro from Google, or of course it also handles data structures. You can generate structs and enums with a simple text description, which is incredibly useful for organizing game data and not wasting time with adding variables manually. For those of you that might want to understand how marketplace plugins work, the tool's understanding extends to C++. You can read C++ code even from other plugins you have installed to understand how they work. This allows you to understand which functions you can call in your blueprints from these marketplace plugins, and the plugin can also help you create C++ classes, and if you know what you are doing, this will be a nice time saver. Finally, let's look at the level prototyping with the sim spawner. For this demonstration, we are looking at Claude Desktop's interface. Like I said at the start of the video, my plugin, being the most flexible copilot in Unreal, can also be used with third-party apps, desktop apps like Cloud Desktop, Cursor, GitHub Copilot, Cloud Code, even Google Gravity. This feature is also experimental, and the results may vary between using the desktop app and the plugin inside the editor. The response from the community has been amazing so far. Hundreds of developers are already using the plugin within their projects. Users leave suggestions over on Discord, and I end up adding their suggestions into the plugin pretty much all the time. Users are also filling in bug reports, which is normal for a plugin in beta version, and similar to the suggestions, I go and squash almost every bug reported. I'm very thankful for the community I've built. This plugin is built by a solo dev for developers. So let's recap. You choose your AI provider, you can use local models, and you are never locked in. This plugin is a one-time purchase. You get lifetime access, including access to the full source code. And as you can see from this comparison, the value is unmatched. The community feedback has been overwhelmingly positive, and I'm committed to making this the best tool it can be. Thank you for watching, and you can find the ultimate blueprint generator on the Fab Marketplace today. Check out the website for more information, and I hope to see you on Discord.